feel very modern, very futuristic, you know?
It's a really friendly car.
It's Volkswagen.
We have some nice features in the interior as well. So what about going back inside and let me drive this time?
Oh, you?
Yeah, you can have a seat in the back.
Okay, okay. Then we can start the movie now. She's driving. It's nice details, nice quality. But what is great as well is the space. You feel so much space. Everything is simplified. It's so functional, but so clean.
Yeah, and I also like the touch of the materials. We have so many things in here that are sustainable. This steering wheel here is made from non-animal materials, for example. The ceiling is also made from recycled PET bottles. Did you touch the seat?
Oh, they
the
feel
velour
great.
is made from PET bottles. Did you know that?
I did. But it's great, and the charming details. Do you see some already?
No,
of
I
them?
haven't seen them yet.
No, you have to look at it. The point is that you don't get them to see in the beginning, but I give you a little help. There's, for example, one smiley very close to you, actually two of them, and maybe one even outside. When you go and look the car from the back. The ambient light, you know, when you look a little bit around, maybe we can do it even now, with a bit of magic. Guys, can you please turn the light down that we can have a look? Great light and very cozy. Feels like home, huh? Very modern. Like a modern home for everybody.
It's nice, huh?
It's cool, isn't it?
Oh, yeah, it's a beautiful car. We love it that you love Volkswagen, you love classic cars, and you love battery electric vehicles, so that's probably the perfect combination to bring you on stage.
Yeah, I really believe in electric vehicles. I believe in Volkswagen's passion for sustainability, and their goals for the future, I think, are really admirable and exciting. So I'm proud to be part of their story in a little way, you know?
Same here. We're driven by our way to zero. We're driven by sustainability. You do exactly the same. We need everybody to support that journey. And I'm looking forward to seeing many of these ID buses on the streets globally, adding a smile to many faces, just like with us today.
Yes.
Thank you very much.
Thank you very much. Excuse me.
This evening is a milestone on our way towards the future with our new ID bus.
This truly is a car that our customers, car enthusiasts and microbus fans have been waiting for. A car that only Volkswagen could make, loaded with heritage, with emotion and with technology for a new era of mobility. Everybody at Volkswagen is so proud to bring the ID bus to the road. Many thanks to the whole team that made this car possible.
And of course, thank you for joining the world premiere of the ID bus tonight. The legend is back. I hope you enjoyed the show. Take care and see you soon.